What's up, idol? So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you how to easy fix the annoying sounds from the motor hub. So these issues, no showing errors on a screen panel. Some says the issues are from the motor brake sensor. So a special shout out to Fitzgerald Ramos, the owner of this scooter, who's asking help to fix his scooter. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. But before I proceed, a special shout out to remove the 4 screws in the stem. After you remove, check all the wire connection. As you can see guys, here the blue wire is cut or burned. So only you have to do is connect the wire using the soldering iron or replace the wire. Definition of burning wires in general. Burning wire is a main causes of insulation failure and maximum amount of current flows through it, which is not bearing capacity of wire.
Few moments later.
Now it's fixed. Disclaimer guys, I'm not the one who fixed this issue, because the reason why is I try to open the screws and the stem, but suddenly one screws are loosened or I can't open. So I need to bring in a bike shop because they have enough tools to open. And when they open it, they saw only the wire is burned. Only they have to do is connect the wires using the soldering iron.